thing I can really do is sing. Some kind of warning, some kind of intellectual awakening. George Galloway, Jacob Rees-Mogg, George Galloway.
Forced by our leaders to issue Christianity, and for a lot of us this is not what we were expecting. And I think
George Galloway, Jacob Rees-Mogg.
to the entire family when they're gone. And I think that that's what we're seeing the unraveling of millennia of culture by people who are the antithesis of Christianity.
Clod vor afdi o yon on calon ac o'n holl hawn ei ryfedd o daith rhof ar led ac mae'r ddyled ei can mawr. Mi fyddaf lawen underglowed ac yn o'r gorfoledd awf eithen nhw o Yahwa canaf glod wyt hynod y gorucha noddfa fydd i'r ffrain mewn pryd pan fo caledfyd arnyn a phawb a ddedwyn rhwnt ei cred a'i holl ymddiried arna.